Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Insert blip into pinhole to remove SIM card tray. Unscrew and remove bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Then disconnect antennas and remove wireless card. Now disconnect speakers. Now unscrew solid state drive. Now unscrew solid state bracket. Now unscrew and remove bracket, then disconnect DC jack. Now unscrew and remove heatsink. Next, unscrew and disconnect cooling fan. Now unscrew and remove bracket, then disconnect display cable. Then unscrew and disconnect power button bracket. Now unscrew and disconnect LED board. Now unscrew and disconnect mouse buttons. Then unscrew and disconnect smart card cage. Then remove speakers. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Now unscrew and disconnect motherboard. Now unscrew and disconnect keyboard. The remaining piece is the Palmrest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.